Dear students, in the last class, we learned about non-terminating recurring decimals. In today's class, we learn how to convert a non-terminating recurring decimal into P by Q form. Before going into the subject, let us know what is periodicity. In a non-terminating recurring decimal, the periodicity means the number of digits are recurring in the decimal form. Say for example, in 0.2 bar, its periodicity is 1 because only number the digit 2 is recurring. In case of 0.23 bar, the periodicity is 2 because the digits 2, 3 are recurring. And in the case of 15.732 bar, here only 32 is recurring, so the periodicity is 2. Now, let us how to convert the recurring decimal 0.24 into P by Q form. Now, let x is equal to 0.4 means this implies x is equal to 0. We are removing this bar on the top of this 4. Then it will be 4, 4, 4 and so on. In this case, the periodicity is 1. So we multiply this by 10. So 10x means we are multiplying both sides by 10. Then here 10x is equal to 4.444 and so on. Now, this is number 2 and the above one is number 1 equation. So let subtract 1 from 2. Now, 10x is equal to 4.44 and x is equal to 0.444 and so on. Okay? Then we are subtracting. When you are subtracting, it will be 9x. 9x is equal to 4. Then all these gets cancelled because in the case of subtraction. So x is equal to 4 by 9. Hence, 0.4 bar is equal to 4 by 9. Let us see another example. 0.54. It is a 54 is recurring here. So in this case, the periodicity is equal to 2. So we have to multiply this number by 100. Let us say this is x is equal to 0.545454 and so on. Now, if you multiply by 100, on both sides, then this is 100x is equal to 54.5454. Now subtract this number 1 from this, then x is equal to 0.5454. We are subtracting. So what will happen? 100x minus x is equal to 99x is equal to 54. Therefore, x is equal to 54 by 99. Hence, 0.54 A recurring decimal is equal to 54 by 99. Let us consider another example, 4.7. It is a recurring decimal. So here the periodicity is 1. So we multiply, let x is equal to 4.777 and so on. Because the periodicity is 1, we'll multiply this on both sides by 10. Then it will become 10x is equal to 47.777 and so on. Now this is number 2, equation number 2, and this is equation number 1. When subtracting number 1 from number 2, x is equal to 4.777. Then if you subtract, 9x is equal to 47 minus 4 is 43. Then x is equal to 43 by 9. Therefore, 4.7 recurring is equal to 43 by 9. Let us consider another example, 15.732. Here 32 is repeating. In this case, the periodicity is 2. Let's say x is equal to 15.73232 and so on. Because the periodicity is 2, we multiply both sides by 100. Then it will become 100x is equal to, when we are multiplying this by 100, the digit will move in 2 places. Then it will become 1573.2323 and so on. So if you subtract, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, subtract 1 from 2, then what will happen? 100x is equal to 1573.2323 and then x is equal to 15.7323. Then this is 99x is equal to, if you subtract, 12 minus 5 is 7 is 5. Then 7, 5, 1557. Then x is equal to 1557.50 by 99, or x is equal to 15575 by 990. Because if you want to remove this decimal, you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10. Then the answer will be 15575 by 990. Therefore, 15.732, a recurring decimal, is equal to 15575 by 990.